the top tier of Phe Phe Falls. Meghalaya, which is known as the abode of clouds, is a picturesque state in the northeastern part of India. It consists of the Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills and the Garo Hills. These hills are named on the ethnic tribes that resides in this region. In this video, we will be showing you one of the most breathtaking and beautiful waterfall located at the West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Travel Cinema Official. I am Roman and you are watching our travel series Explore Meghalaya. Right now we are at West Jaintia Hills district. Today we are traveling to Phe Phe Falls, which is one of the most exciting and popular waterfall in the district of Jaintia Hills. Phe Phe Falls is a gem of a waterfall of Jaintia Hills in particular and Meghalaya in general. To reach Phe Phe Falls, one has to cover a distance of 75 kilometers away from the capital city of Shillong. This distance can be reached in just about 2 hours and 30 minutes of drive. On reaching the parking facility of the destination, we are required to descend on foot towards the waterfall for about 10 minutes or so. Phe Phe Falls is a two-tier waterfall. We are right now at the first tier of this waterfall. Phe Phe Falls is situated at Skhenpyrsit Village, which is at West Jaintia Hills district on the Jowai Dawki Road. Guys, look at this jaw-dropping waterfall. Standing before the majestic and gorgeous fall of this waterfall, I was completely awestruck by its sheer power and beauty. The mist, cool and refreshing environment which surrounded, coupled with the thunderous roar of the cascading water, reminded me of the wonders that exist beyond the hustle and bustle of life. Phe Phe Falls, which is a two-tier waterfall, and the one you are seeing right now is the bottom tier and the main waterfall, falling from a towering height into a clear blue and grey pool. The rocks and surroundings indeed made this place a paradise. To reach the upper tier of the waterfall, you have to hike for another 15 to 20 minutes. We climb up from the main waterfall and reach the top tier of Phe Phe Falls. Come, let's check out this fall from the main viewpoint. As we ended a visit to this beautiful waterfall and walked back, we had a feeling of having accomplished something, as the journey we undertook was so much worth it. After visiting the waterfall, we found this lush green wide open space. We stopped here to have a look at the natural beauty. We will be going ahead for our lunch at one of the resorts available there. That's all, friends, in this video for today. We will see you soon in our next episode. Thanks for watching.